Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you how you can direct your friends who are not models to get better pictures. So let's get straight into the video. The first tip is directing. Try to direct the people instead of just telling them what to do, because most likely they wouldn't understand your mindset. Whereas if I directed someone and showed them how to pose and where to pose, they'll get a better understanding. The second tip is to make them feel comfortable. So once you arrive at the location, talk to them. Don't just say stand there and do this. Talk to them, get into the rhythm, and then maybe play some music in the background. So what I like to do is carry a speaker with me, play some music in the background, ask them what's your favorite music. Get them into the mood to do a photo shoot, and then I'll guarantee you get better results. And the last step is to be open-minded. As you can see, Ben suggested that we change locations, and we did. And to be honest, it was a good idea because we did get better pictures. Always be open-minded to new ideas and perspective, because you can brainstorm together and get better results.